this is a place wherein people have to socialize because there's nothing else other than socializing here.
चाले कुछ भी चाले 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 कुछ भी चाले कुछ भी
For our viewers, if you would like to tell them something that is really unique about BITS Pilani.
The reservation policy, the reservation here is nothing, so like the crowd is much better and like there's a wholesome development in BITS as compared to IIT.
We have the ratio of 1:10 for the girls. That's okay. That's okay. That's what.
Yeah, the teachers are really good, like friendly, and even the people are really friendly, and the seniors are very supportive.
There's no reservation in BITS Pilani, so you get the true competition and the true stuff that's around in BITS Pilani. I mean, in IIT, of course, there are people with SC, SC, and OBCs.
The competition here is really good, and plus the atmosphere of college is something you'll not get in IITs, I guess.
Peers here. They are from everywhere in the country, and if you think you're good at something, there is someone who is better than you.
He's also one of my seniors, so I'm really very free to talk to him what all problems I face. That's the best part of BITS.
They'll go out of their way to help you, like your department seniors, the people that you bond with, and they'll go out of the way to help you anytime on campus, anytime.
I think the campus is the best thing I think of Pilani because outside campus.
Yeah, other than the campus.
Other than the campus, maybe sunshine or I think mac and cheese. I think that is good because that is the only place where students go. Yeah, Sandpipe Vatika.
Are way ahead in many things, and which is personality growth. Okay, and the kind of fest we manage, other people can't even think about it.
The first thing that is to the advantage of BITS Pilani is that it is secluded. So that gives us the advantage of having a better social bonding amongst us. So because we don't have anything outside of BITS campus, so we end up bonding inside and doing all the social activities inside the campus, and that is quite helpful indeed.
Okay.
Just talking about the sky, the night sky as well as the...
Okay, so you like the night sky.
It's the best place to have an educational institution and the worst place to have an educational institution. Best because it has a very good environment for learning and things like that. Worst because it's cut off from the other places. It's cut off from Delhi, it's cut off from everything.
It's fun. BITS is fun.
BITS Pilani
it's one
is
of the
fun.
best colleges in India, I guess, and I'm really glad to be here.